afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is for you. Welcome to another Nomad With Us vlog. In today's video, we're at the beach. And today you're gonna find out what it's like to surf in Bali when you're a complete beginner. And I know many people come here to surf because they're professionals and they have all the skills, and we have none of those skills. So today you're gonna find out what it's like, and hopefully we can give you some insights. Maybe it's something you want to do when you're here, maybe not. We'll find out.
Yeah.
Waves are looking nice. There's a bit of a breeze. It's really hot, so we're in for a good one. All right, catch you guys soon. Nice. Hey, how's it going? How's it going?
See ya.
Yeah, good to see you too.
Hey.
So Nance and our other friend, they're already out to the waves.
Oh wow.
Oh wow. Okay. Nice. So, are you gonna surf?
First time or no?
What's that? It's actually Nance's like second time. She's not that good. So we're all not that good. We're all pretty like beginner.
Yeah, I never tried.
Yeah, I've done it a few times.
Done it a few times. Okay.
Like in New Zealand, and I actually did try once here, but it was not a very nice day for it, so I didn't have the best time.
Okay.
But yeah, give it another go. So, what's the deal? You guys hired out a board?
Yeah. So we can rent the board from him.
Yeah. Cool.
This is another of our friends' friend.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Sam.
Sam. Nice to meet you, Sam. Jamie.
Nice to meet you, Jamie.
Dasha.
You coming out?
Yeah.
All right. Ooh, nice footage. Just to show you how it works. So we're in the low tide, and there's big waves over there. You don't want to be in those. We're just waiting for the whitewash to come and catching that. All right, let me show you. All right. Woo! Yeah! Nice one. High five. Wow. Yeah. So I recommend coming here when it's low tide and maybe catching just the whitewash waves. You don't really want to catch the big waves, especially if you're new. So maybe get a friend, go out there with a friend, and they can push you onto the wave. Or if you're a strong paddler, just paddle, stay balanced, push on the board, and that's it, guys. That's it. It's really not that complicated. Maybe get a lesson. I don't think they're that expensive. The surfboard cost 50K, and the coconuts 25, and parking was 2K. So that's the whole thing. Easy, done. All right. We did it. We're alive. We did it.
Yay.
Caught some waves. Had some coconuts. And that's it. We just want to keep this video really short, guys. So we'll see you next time. Thank you for nomading with us.